Welcome to Believe, the Santa Princess podcast, where snowflakes shimmer, tiaras sparkle, and kindness reigns. I'm your host, Shan-Shan, Shannon Cunningham, the author of The Santa Princess, the dreamer and the big believer in magic all year round. Each episode will unwrap stories of holiday wonder, family traditions, and little acts of love that bring big joy. So grab some cocoa, cozy up, and let's step into a world where believing isn't just for kids, it's for everyone. Let the magic begin. Right. Hey there, magic makers. Welcome to Believe, the Santa Princess podcast. So excited you're here with me today. And it's a special podcast episode of Believe because we are in my workshop. You can have a workshop wherever you want, wherever your parents let you, in the kitchen. I'm using my dining table. I've got it covered with some things. So whether you're listening to the podcast or watching, I want you to be excited and think about what you can do. Maybe we can do this together. Maybe you go gather your supplies and we talk about how we're going to make something magical. So if you've been listening to the podcast, we've been talking about doing acts of kindness, things that people don't expect, right? That's what we're going to do on this episode of Believe. We are going to make a rock or shell blessing, okay? And why? Right? I know what you're thinking. Summer's not exactly Santa season to make toys or do Christmas crafts, but you can do crafts during the summer that are just as special. And it's the best gifts because you're going to do it with love. So our first project is called the shell or rock blessing. So you can do a rock or a shell. I've gathered some things, and I want to talk to you about why I want to do this, because I got a special rock blessing. I don't know if you can see this. You see how pretty it's decorated? It's just a rock. It's a rock that somebody special in my life found outside and decided to do it for me. They decorated it, and this was back in 2021. So I've kept it. I keep it in my kitchen where I can see it every day. That's how special it is. It's beautiful, but most of all, it was made with love. And so what you're going to want to do, she painted it and decorated it. We are going to find, since it's summertime, I got seashells. I got beautiful seashells that I found at the beach. Have you been to the beach yet? I love going to the beach. You're going to get some sort of pen, marker, some paint, if you will, paint brushes, and we are going to make a very special rock. So you can do as fancy as you like or as simple as you like. But if you're feeling kind and not crafty, you can keep it simple, right? You can take a pen, an easy pen, and you can write a very special message on the shell or the rock. So I'm not going to write it on the top because people will obviously see it. But I'm going to write a very special message inside. So I'm just going to take a Sharpie. I'm using red. Red's my favorite color. What's your favorite color? Drop it in the comments. Tell me what your favorite color is. So I'm going to write a special message. And if you need an adult, a friend, somebody who knows how to write and spell, because you're not quite there yet, that's okay. I'm going to write a message on the inside. I'll show you what it is later. And then on the outside, like I don't want to get all my paints out just yet. Maybe you don't have paints. Maybe you just have markers. That's okay. So I'm going to draw on top of the shell some little hearts. And look, can you see the little hearts I drew on top of the shell? So it makes it pretty, right? I think I'm going to draw one more little heart. They're easy to do. You can color them in if you want. I'm going to color a couple of them in. And I'm going to leave a couple of them empty. And I'm just going to put a couple little dots just to decorate it a little more. That dot didn't work, so I'm going to turn that was a dot and it turned into a line. I'm going to turn it into a heart. See? How about that? All the little hearts and dots. Guess what I wrote on the inside? Are you ready? Are you ready to see? It's one word, and you can pick any word. So I wrote the word smile. Did you just smile when I said that? Smile. This is what you can do. You can take this and go to a friend's house, go to your next door neighbor when they're not home, and leave it on their front doorstep or put it in their mailbox. Maybe the mail lady will find it or the mailman, right? You never know. If you want to get a little extra fancy, because sometimes we like extra and we like fancy, just take some paint. And I just picked up some paint at the local Dollar Tree. I'm going to put some paint in a paper plate, a big dollop. Now I picked blue. Blue's my second favorite color. First is red. I know green should probably be it since I'm a Santa princess, but I actually like blue a lot. So I picked up this pretty bright blue, and it's summertime, right? And I picked up some white, and I'm going to put that in my plate so I don't get everywhere. And let's hope we don't get it on the Santa princess dress. And I've got a pretty paintbrush. I'm going to use this and just paint the seashell. So I'm going to hold it at first. Oh, isn't that turning out nicely? I'm going to hold it at first, and then I can put it in the paper plate so I don't have to touch it and not get it all over my hands. And you know what? If you do, it's okay. Just make sure you get the paint that washes off. All right, so I've got it all painted blue. Now, what you gonna do with the white? Whatever you want. Get creative. You know, on this one I drew hearts. This one, I'm gonna take the other side of my paintbrush and dot it in the white, and then I'm gonna dot it on the shell. And like I said, if you didn't get to go to the beach, it's okay. Go find a rock. Go find a rock outside. That's what that is. That's what my special friend, it's my niece. My KK got me that. Made me that. And it's very special. And that's how people are going to feel when you give them something, right? They're going to want to keep it. They're going to want to put it someplace very special. So I'm just putting little polka dots because I like polka dots. I don't know about you. I love polka dots. I'm just being very random. And I'm telling you this right now. I am by far an artist or a painter. But, it's still wet. So I'm going to put this down. I want you to see it. See, I got blue on my fingers. Isn't that cute? It's very cute. And then on the inside, you can paint the inside if you want. It's totally up to you. Totally. I'm going to write another magic word. What word should I write? I want you to tell me in the comments. And if you're listening to the podcast, you can go to YouTube and leave the comments there. Or you can go on my Instagram page and tell me what special word you want me to write on the blue polka dotted blessing shell. Because I want to leave this to someone special today. What do you think? I need to know what word to write. You tell me, and I'm going to write that word, and I'm going to make another video and show you where I put the shell. All right. That's it. Right, my magical friends? Was that fun? This was so fun. You can keep going, keep the fun going. You can get some friends over to do this. You can do this at a slumber party. It's easy. All you need is some markers or some paint. And you could even, oh my gosh, you could glitter on it. You could put some string. You can tie some string and glue string onto it. You can get really creative. I want to see how creative you get. So I want you to make at least one kindness craft in your workshop. One kindness craft in your workshop. Look at me, making a mess, getting blue on my finger. And ask a grown-up to help you so you don't make a mess like I do. Ask a grown-up to help you and show me pictures. Put it on my Instagram. I want to see what you do, how creative you get. And I want to thank you. I want to thank you for crafting with me today. You're clever, you're creative, and you're full of kindness. And kindness looks beautiful in every season.
So until next time, keep creating, keep sharing, keep believing in your own sparkle. Okay, friends, do you want crafts? More special things from the Santa Princess? If you do, I have a special Facebook group just for people who want to spread holiday cheer. It's called the International Society of Holiday Cheer. Kind of fancy, right? Well, aren't we? I want you to join it because that's where I drop things first. You'll get the first to know about my crafts. You'll get the first to know about any new Christmas carols that come out. You'll get to see in here about the first things. And I'm excited to share it with you. Go to my Facebook, ask a grown-up to help you. Find the Santa Princess on Facebook and become a part of that Facebook group. Till next time, keep spreading the magic.
Thank you for joining me on today's magical adventure. Don't forget, the world needs your sparkle, your kindness, and your heart. If you loved today's episode, be sure to subscribe and leave a little love with a review. It helps more believers find us. And if you haven't already, you can grab your very own copy of The Santa Princess, the children's book that started it all. Just go to www.thesantaprincess.com or find it on Amazon. Until next time, keep believing and keep spreading that magic.